Hello, welcome to a Saturday morning Rusty Nuts extravaganza. So today we are in the booth and Bob is going to get what we hope is his final coat.
Prep first.
Yeah.
Lots of prep.
Lots of prep. So we have already started, haven't we? So we've been around and taking some bits off. So like number plates come off. The Land Rover badge on the back is off.
Wipers are off.
Wipers are off. We've taken the door tops out, taken the seals out. Put them back down just so that when we do it, the seals look nice. Although I was just looking at the bulkhead seals, they're gonna go NATO, but oh well.
They're stuck, so we can't take them back off.
Yeah, exactly. So
we weren't expecting to have to paint it again when we fitted them, so it is what it is.
yeah, we were really unfortunate that with the batches of paint that we've had, the first one wasn't matte, was it? Which it said on the tin, and the provider assured us it was. However, it isn't. So. It is what it is, isn't it?
Shit happens.
And it also could have been, and there could have been some sort of reaction, or difference in mix,
it could have been
weather conditions, whatever. So yeah, it's probably unfair to blame them, but
it's their fault.
It's definitely their fault. So yeah, we've got some more paint. We're going to mix the two tins together because we've got about half a tin of a 5 litre, and I bought a 2.5. So we're going to mix those together so that we don't have those issues if we're going between the two. And then we're just going to hit it with 2 coats, we think.
Hopefully, yeah, as long as we can get it right. So the first bit of prep is we've got to go around the entire vehicle and scotch everything. So this is going to be quite a long process. So we're going to stick you on a time lapse because we don't want to bore the shit out of you. But we'll put you on a time lapse and we'll start scotching.
Yes, let's go. We have one scotched Bob. I think we might just leave him like that. What do you reckon? What do you think? It's got that vintage patina look. I bet there'll be some people in the comments that actually prefer that look. Check that out. Look, we were just saying, it looks like the ghost of Bob. There's Liam.
I'm sweating through many orifices. It's well hot in here.
Liam is one of the single reasons we're going to have to degrease, because the amount of sweat that's splashed onto Bob's paintwork. But yeah, that's all pretty much scotched down now. So it didn't take that long, did it, with the two of us? We kind of went along and met halfway.
Yeah, and there's no guarantee. It's not saying it's finished yet. We've got to blow it off and reassess, and we might have to go back and do some of the bits that we've missed, because
the dust like hides
settles.
It, if you can't see.
So we just need to go over it, blast it off. Pepsi first.
Yeah, Pepsi, clear the passageways.
Yeah.
About 2 hours in, and we've got one pass of scotching done.
We did do the
and lots of other little bits.
We did do the NATO hinges as well. So.
Oh yeah.
I in the garage last night. You've seen me do NATO hitches before, the big ones. Well, the little ones are pretty much the same design. So I didn't film it, but let us know if you do want to see that. Because if you do, I've got another 2 to do, so I'll do a video on it. But they fought hard, really hard. They have a habit of seizing solid. So one of them came apart, greased it up, went back together lovely. The other one fought and fought and fought. So yeah, they've been done as well. So they're outside in primer now.
Right, after what seems quite a long and drawn out process, we've finally got everything masked up. So as you can see, we have bagged all the way around the bottom because we've got that lovely black gloss chassis underneath now. So we don't want all the overspray to get under there and go all NATO and speckled. So we've bagged that, that's done. The tub up to the cab is also all bagged and masked off. And then we've masked off all the little holes and things that there might be throughout the bodywork, just so that we are ready to go. So that felt like it took a while, didn't it?
Forever.
It's a very long process, but I think panel wipe and then he's good to be hit, isn't he?
He's ready. I think he's ready. Are we ready?
I don't know if we're ready. So yes, when you next see us, I expect Bob will be green again.
Might give you a time lapse.
Another green.
Right, let's take you in and you can see where we're at. So one coat on.
Yellow.
Hello.
So, I can't remember what I last showed you. I think it was Liam painting. Ta-da! So, yeah, you went on 2 heavy coats, wasn't it, pretty much?
The hard wearing areas had 3. So the bumper, the grille, the 2 front panels, the bonnet and the tops of the wings and the sides of the wings have all had between 4 and 3 coats.
Yeah.
Everything else has had, is it 2 or 3? 3 I think I did. 3 coats. But, yeah, I mean, the camera probably makes it look shiny, but it is. It isn't shiny. And it is still it's still going off, isn't it, at the minute? Yeah, it's still soft, so it's still a little bit tacky. So as the chemicals are drawing out of the paint, it's flashing off and going matte. As you can remember, the tub of the vehicle was very shiny compared to the doors. Now everything matches, even right the way around here now is all matching. Yeah, very happy actually. I think it's gone on really well. We have got a couple of runs, but I think we're all happy with that, aren't we? The runs are okay.
What I've kind of said, and all the way along really, is that I quite like the imperfections because we've done it.
Yeah.
You know, it's not a professional restoration that would cost, I mean, it has cost quite a lot of thousands of pounds, but, you know, like if you took it to a restoration place, it would be phenomenally expensive, wouldn't it? We've done this ourselves with the help of the facilities that Mick's allowed us to use.
And Mick himself. Yeah. And the thing is that when we're out and about in this and we're at shows, we can go, run, that was me, I did that.
It's part of the character, isn't it, of bringing Bob back to a really high standard.
Yeah.
And it's got some of the character of stuff that, you know, we've done it, which I think's really nice.
I mean, when we consider the whole vehicle has been painted today, and we've done some heavy coats, we've got 3 runs, which are in slightly inconspicuous areas. And to be honest, unless I pointed them out to you, you wouldn't know where they are. And I'm not going to point them out to you. So
come and see us at a show and you can find them.
Yeah. So yeah, I think all in all, I think he's looking super special great.
Yeah.
We've got the 2 hand boxes here, the aerial boxes. They've been painted up, and the front NATO hitch is in NATO as well. The NATO hitch is in NATO.
We've glossed the black the back one, haven't
glossed
we?
the black one, which we'll show you in a second. We'll put a little insert just here of the of the black one. Haven't drilled the holes yet for the front one because I think you're a little bit undecided yet still, aren't you?
Yeah, like what I said earlier about seeing some of the ones active in Germany that didn't have it. I'm not sure whether we put it on now or not. It looks quite nice and clean, doesn't it? Not having the holes drilled at the minute.
The good thing is it's painted and it's ready to go on. So if you do decide to put it on, it should be a fairly straightforward job to put it on. The back one's in paint, like we say, which we'll put a picture in. But all in all, I think we've done well there, mate, today.
Yeah, it's looking brilliant. And yeah, like Liam said, it does show up quite shiny on this, actually, looking at the screen versus what my eyes are seeing. It's definitely matte and matting off. It's just very new paint, isn't it? So it has got there's a very slight reflection to it, plus we're under these quite heavy fluorescent lights. But yeah, it's looking awesome.
You'll have to just take our word for it. It is matte.
Yeah.
I think we started, just after 8 o'clock today?
Yep.
We got here just after 8. We did some prep work and cleaned some bits up firsthand. It's now 5 o'clock smack on the nose. So we've prepped it, masked it, scotched it, cleaned the booth out, prepped a couple of the other bits like the NATO hitches and stuff like that, and got some good solid coats of paint down on it in that time. My head won't work out what the actual hours are, but it's
good going.
Yeah, pretty good going. I think we've achieved really well there, so quite proud of us.
8 hours,
I think we've done
9 hours.
9 hours
work, yeah.
We've done really well. That's a full day shift, isn't it? You know, and we've managed to get all of that done. We were going to look at doing the camo today, but the paint is just not cured. It's a slow 2K hardener, and we're just not going to risk it. So we're going to let it bake. Well, in its own ambient heat.
It's warm in here though, isn't it?
Warm
because we have
in
the
here.
heater on.
Yeah. And then on Tuesday, hopefully we'll be able to get in here, mask off the areas that you want as camo, get the camo paint on it, and then hopefully, time dependent, we'll be able to get the masking off and get him out. Yeah. And then it's just a case of starting to bolt stuff back on.
Yeah, just the stuff we've taken off, isn't it? Put the hoops back on. Hopefully we'll get the canvas soon from Exmoor Trim. I think there was up to a 12-week lead time, but then when I got the confirmation through, it said 6 to 8. So I think we're coming close to that now. So hopefully it'll come soon.
And if it doesn't, Mick has got one that he said we can borrow for TTF. Yeah. So
there's not a lot left, is there? I think
there isn't.
We've just got the brakes to finish the brakes up at the front.
The brakes are all done underneath. It's literally just from the splitter to the reservoir, and then it's a case of bleeding, and then he's drivable. That's it. He's done and ready for the road. Seat belts.
But even if that's delayed, we could put lap belts in.
Yeah, I mean, the seat belts are quite easy actually. Once the hoops are on, it's only a case of welding those brackets in, drilling holes in both of them,
galv them,
putting a arch on it, weld them on, galv it, done. So it should be all straightforward. Now. Awesome. Cool beans.
Thank you very much for watching this episode. All our usual links are down below in the description. If you give Mick a follow over on his Twitch, that'd be hugely appreciated because he lets us use these fabulous facilities. And we will catch you in the next video on a Sunday, like we do every week. Thanks for watching.
Ta-ra.